Okay, now we started from the mole. Okay, primarily what is mole.
Yeah.
Okay, and now how we can represent it and how we'll calculate for the molecular value of any chemical formula. Okay, moles we are considered as, you can say, the relative formula mass of any substance. Okay, if you are representing
Yeah.
in gram, so that will consider as in that particular, we can, the relative molecular mass or the formula mass we are calculating, which is showing in gram. Okay, for the particular substance, that can be represented by 1 mole. Okay, like for example, if I'll represent it first, I give the example of the relative formula mass. Okay, relative formula mass means in the complete formula what the mass of individual atom, okay, is
Yeah.
present. You are calculating all of this one, that will be considered as a relative formula mass of any substance. Okay, for example, you have, like, particularly you have the formula of H2O. Okay, in that
Yes.
case you have 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, right? Okay, in this case,
Yeah.
as we know, for hydrogen its atomic mass is 1, right? And for oxygen its atomic mass is 16. Okay, so here, according to this formula, how will getting the relative formula mass for that one? Primarily there is hydrogen, it's 2 atom of hydrogen, so we'll put 2 here. Okay, and multiply by the atomic mass of the hydrogen. Okay, plus we are taking how many atom of oxygen here, that is 1. Okay, and what is the atomic mass of oxygen, will multiply this side. Okay, so
Yeah.
overall value if we'll calculate, that will come 2 plus 16 and the total value will come 18. Okay, so
Yes. Okay.
this is considered as the relative formula mass of water. Okay, so this kind of calculation we can do for the everyone. Okay, whenever the formula we have. Okay, so this is the value how we'll calculate the multiple number of the atom and multiply by their atomic mass, and sum of that all of value, we will get the relative formula mass of any formula, any molecular structure. Okay, and how we can, like for example, hydrogen have 1, carbon have 12, oxygen have 16, that is the completely have the atomic mass value. Okay, and by which combination you wants to make a one formula, like you have a formula of CHO. Okay, so here number of atom of carbon is 1, their atomic mass is 12, multiply by 12, and hydrogen number of atom is 4 and its atomic mass is 1, so overall value will come 12 plus 4 means 16. Okay, so this is considered as a relative formula mass of CHO. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
how we can relate this relative formula mass to convert into mole value. Okay, relative formula mass which is shown in gram. Okay, for any
Yeah.
substance it can be considered as a 1 mole. Okay, for example, if I'll consider, I mention 18 gram of water, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So this 18 is represented the complete the relative formula mass shown in gram, right? So means
Yeah.
18 gram of hydrogen value is equal to 1 mole. Okay, how we can represent it? 1 mole is represented by one formula that we can say and shown like this: mole equal to mass of substance or upon molecular mass of substance. Okay, so for example, if I mention here 18 gram of water, okay, this 18 gram is represented mass of substance. Okay, and molecular mass, how we'll calculate? That is the relative mass value that will consider as a 2 hydrogen 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 16. Overall value is what? 18, right? So
Yeah.
this is termed as molecular mass of H2O, right? So I can put both these value in this above formula, right? So in that case, how we'll calculate the mole value in that? It's have 18 gram mass of substance, so I'll put 18 here. Its molecular mass is also 18, so I'll put 18 downside. That will cut and they'll calculate as 1 mole. Means in 18 gram of water, if you mention, this is showing 1 mole of water. Okay, both terms are equal. If you are saying 118 gram of water, that's the terms you can write down. In the term of mole, you can write 1 mole of water. Okay.